Chapter 4: Consumer and Business Buyer Behavior. Buyer behavior of consumers and businesses decides the course of an effective marketing program. Let us know more about the theories and models, determinants of influence, and the decision-making process by businesses and consumers. Theories and models of consumer behavior. Consumer behavior theories explain how people make decisions regarding what to buy and then how to purchase and finally use the products, services, or brands. The key models and theories are Maslow's hierarchy of needs. This theory states that the levels of people's buying decisions range from their physiological needs to safety, love, esteem, and self-actualization. Theory of reasoned action. This theory states that consumer behavior is fueled by attitudes toward behavior and subjective norms. A person's action is a result of an intention that is fueled by beliefs and pressures from society. Consumer decision-making process model. The consumer decision-making process model presents how the consumers arrive at the buying decision. The typical model consists of problem recognition, information search, evaluation of alternatives, purchase decisions, and post-purchase behavior. Engel-Collett-Blackwell model. Engel-Collett-Blackwell model demonstrates all the steps involved in consumer decision-making. It also shows the steps of need recognition, information search, alternative evaluation, purchase decision, and post-purchase evaluation. For example, the need for a handset of a phone is first met by a basic set. Thereafter, he/she looks into higher-order needs like status and symbolic self-presentation. Influences on consumer buying behavior. Various internal and external influences determine the consumer buying decision. Psychological factors, needs and wants, motivation, perception, learning, beliefs, and attitudes define a consumer's aspect of a particular product and his/her choices. Social factors. The main influences of social factors on purchasing decisions are reference groups, family, social status, and roles that determine the life of a person and shape his/her preferences and behaviors. Cultural factors. Culture undermines consumers' beliefs, values, attitudes, and behavior by shaping their culture and subculture. Personal factors. Age, occupation, lifestyle, and economic situation are an integral part of personal characteristics concerning purchasing decisions. For example, a need for prestige, social influences, and cultural influences that relate to social prestige may result in a consumer purchasing a luxury vehicle. Business buyer behavior. Business buyer behavior studies how an organization makes a buying decision that is typically more structured and formal than an individual consumer. Characteristics. Complex decision-making always includes more than one decision-maker and formal procurement process. Rational decision-making. Decisions are made considering cost, return on investment, and product performance. Longer sales cycle. The process of evaluation and negotiation can be time-consuming. For example, a business that is buying enterprise software will be evaluated extensively, including cost-benefit analysis, and negotiated with several vendors before a decision is reached. B2B buying processes and decision-making. B2B buying processes are made up of various buying stages. They occur when a business buys goods or services from another business. Problem recognition. Perceiving a need or problem that can be solved by acquiring something. General need description. Determining the characteristics and quantity of something. Product specification. Determining the needed product characteristics. Supplier search. Searching for and qualifying potential suppliers. Proposal solicitation. Soliciting proposals or bids from suppliers. Proposal evaluation. Reviewing and comparing the proposals based on some selection criteria, e.g., price, etc. Supplier selection. Selecting one or more suppliers. Order routine specification. Defining order quantities, delivery terms/patterns, and other supply requirements. Performance measurement. Measurement of suppliers' performance after the purchase. For example, a production house will need raw materials, and in that case, it would begin with the identification of the requirement to the selection of the supplier based on quality and cost. Psychographics and demographics. Psychographics and demographics are crucial for market segmentation and targeting. Demographics. This refers to statistical information or data involving a population including age, sex, income, education, and occupation. The said information enables the marketers to target the average consumer and target market as to measurable characteristics. Psychographics. the study of consumer lifestyles, interests, values, and personalities. This helps one understand motivation and preference, which can lead to marketing strategies that are more in tune with the consumer's lifestyle. For instance, a high-end outdoor equipment retailer may base its target on the high-income customer segment due to an interest in adventure and environmental values. Decision-making processes. Consumer decision-making process. Problem recognition. This is realizing a shortcoming when a customer is in need or desires a particular gratification. Information search. A customer tries to obtain more information regarding options and would like this information to be specific. Evaluation of alternatives. It is the evaluation of alternatives. Purchase decision. The final decision on purchasing the product or service. Post-purchase behavior. After the purchase of the product, the behavior is observed towards its use. Business buying process. Need recognition. The business recognizes a problem that can be solved by buying a product or service. Information search. A good information search means that a purchaser recognizes the problem and seeks general information on the possible solution. Evaluation of alternatives. How customers evaluate the alternative suppliers between each other. Decision-making. Choosing the best option and the order. The consumer purchasing a laptop is to pass the consumer decision-making process, while a business purchasing office supplies would apply to the formal B2B decision-making process. It uses detailed methodologies with a host of people in the process. In other words, justifying the behavior of the consumer and the business buyer is the base, which can help devise successful marketing strategies. Therefore, the running of a successful business will significantly depend on the awareness of the various theories, influential factors, and the decision-making process that might effectively be able to help customize the offering and make oneself succeed in reaching the needs of the target market and being competitive.